E-commerce analytics is crucial for forming important business decisions, right? Hello guys, it's me Priyasha from PitchGround. It's tough to figure out what data you need, how to track it, and then turn the data into actionable insights. Not only is this process time consuming, but it can also be expensive if you hire someone else to do it for you. PitchGround has brought to you Minstein, an all-in-one advanced Shopify analytics and reporting platform that gives you data-driven actionable insights from Shopify, Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Facebook Ads data in one place. With Minstein, you can get advanced reporting for your Shopify store with cohorts, heat maps, growth tables, before-after analysis, etc. You also get to know all the key touch points and analytics like customer data, product data, custom cost data, and marketing website data. It also offers advanced analytics for profit and loss, growth, marketing, orders, and many other metrics. Get insights that would directly increase your customer acquisition and customer retention based on your store's historical data. It is a growth engine for your Shopify store that gives you data-driven, actionable insights and does much more. Minstein is offering a lifetime deal for limited periods, so head on to pitchground.com and grab your license today. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video.